these off and chew them, chew the seed,
Yeah.
it actually was gummy enough to make our gum.
Yeah, like gum.
So we'd
Yeah.
go in the house. We weren't stupid. We'd go in the house and dip our seeds into honey.
Into honey.
And then we'd eat.
Oh, and
the
then it was
seed.
like sweet wheat.
Juicy fruit.
Sweet, juicy fruit,
Right
sweet
on.
wheat gum.
Oh, God.
So this happens every fall here at Huck.
Yes.
They come out.
Every August. Yep.
Do they use old planting methods too, or just come out here with a planter?
No. We have a modern day farmer who farms it for us. Yep.
But typically you'd take these bundles and stand them up on the stock end, spread them out like a teepee, and let them dry. And typically, a long time ago, that would be a couple of horses instead of that little tractor.
Right on. Yep, that's right.
Took a lot of people to bring in the harvest, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
Just
In
crazy.
the threshing days, I bet there were 20 guys.
20 guys, yeah.
At least.
My grandma would tell me about the stories about her cooking for the threshing crews,
In a cook car?
and she told me the story about my dad. Right in the middle of between breakfast and lunch, he came out,
Okay, yeah,
and she had to get him fed,
yeah,
tucked away, and back at it.
yeah,
Crazy.
yeah. We have an old cook car at the museum.
Oh, I know. I went in there.
The museum.
Well, as you see the museum. He just looks for a full load on there and then pulls the string and it flips the string over. And so, and then does he kick it off that little, yeah, he just pulls it back and they fall off.
You recognize him?
No, but I'll have to talk to him sometime when they take a break.
Yeah.
Because I guess he says he's my neighbor.
Oh, really?
Real close.
He lives on Freeland Street in Baja.
It's Jim Bongley. He's your neighbor last
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm up at Lake Minnegotia, Whiskey Bay.
Oh, we're in the Sunset Bay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right across the road.
Kent
okay.
is in the nut house.
Yeah, and he's in the nut house?
Yeah.
Who let him out?
Lives right over here.
He got a 15-minute pass.
You got him a 15-minute pass? Well, he's got some twine on his cap.
You know how to string this, don't you, kid? Gosh, it's been a long time ago.
Wow. That's pretty
So
cool.
I was going to say, I haven't seen the breakdown or anything, and then you stop, and I'm like, oh, Christ, you said it. In case you like fly off the handle or something.
He's a little bit related, but we don't claim.
Oh, is that right? Oh, it's
Yeah,
one.
we're first cousins.
He's,
Their mom and my dad were brother and sister.
Okay.
well, I've heard all kinds of unique things here because across the way is what's his name? A cousin's cousin, or what did he say? They're cousins on both sides or something.
Oh, yeah,
double cousins.
Larry and Danny Slayball.
Yeah. That's what he said. Yeah, we're double cousins. And I said, what the heck is a double cousin?
My mom's side, and
A double cousin? A
Oh,
yeah.
double cousin was
Harvey.
it's a brother and
No, not
sister
Harvey, Will.
Or Will, I
that
mean.
married brothers and sisters.
Well, that's
So they're from the from the same family.
Yeah.
So that their kids would be actually what they call double first
double cousin.
I guess I misunderstood. I thought you.
So what now?
Something about 11 o'clock.
Time to run get some twine.
I guess. I guess.
Started about 10.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, well,
10 to
then-
10 we started.
Oh well then.
But you guys go pretty. It goes pretty Good.
Yeah.
It was
Pretty
good.
quick.
Don't run out of twine.
Yeah. I was surprised.
Got more twine over there?
Yeah, Lyman's got twine. He's got to go up and get some. Yeah, I really thought we could make
Your
it.
your rock isn't even close to loaded yet, is it?
No, now it's kind of got shorter sides. It's
So
way
you just-
different, but I was just.
You don't have a pitchfork with you, huh?
There's enough of loose stuff here. We just put it in by hand. That way we'll see if she's going
Just
to tie.
throw it in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Just run it
You-
over.
You gonna, Lyman, you gonna tie this bundle to it? Or
Oh,
just
yeah.
Leave it or?
Was it just get
Just
tied
wait
to the
there.
end of the other one?
Yep, yeah, then it just hooks up and goes. Hold it, Lyman. We're gonna tie this bundle on, then we'll throw this in by hand. See if she ties. Yeah, where's the cook car? They used to have cook cars with these.
You know that? Used to have
Oh!
We'll have some mashed potatoes.
So when's the last time you used one of those? Has it been a while?
What's that?
When's the last time you used one of them pitchforks? Oh, you
Oh.
probably use them for the...
Yeah, once in
Bison.
a while, you know.
Yeah.
These hands are made, yeah, they kind of. I use them not very often, though. It was a daily thing, you know, it used to be.
Yeah. Oh, I got one right here. My camera.
What have you been up to, Kyle?
Well, this week there's a group from Maryland that come out, and so we're doing. Just wander afloat and picking up these oddballs, you know.
So you just fill up all the wagons, and that's it.
What is there, 8 of them?
I don't
Eight
know how
racks?
many there is. Josh said he was working on one the other day, so.
Yeah, this guy driving, picking them up, by the way, you
Yeah.
got to get the heck out of his way,
Yeah,
because
he-
he just goes.
He's
a
pretty
bro-
serious.
He's pretty serious.
Yeah, these guys are all brothers.
Yeah.
He and
He's
Les
a brother,
Lyman.
too.
Because I was standing over there taking some video, and I didn't see him right away. I looked up, and he was just boring down on me. He was going to scoop me up and throw me into the wagon.
Well, you'd probably crash off pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah, throw me out with the trash.
Oh, God, that's funny. Yeah, well, we got to take
like setting up a Singer sewing machine.
There you go.
Huh?
You know what, Niall? I went on the bottom side of that roller. It's got to be on the top side of that roller. In the needle?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I went the wrong side of the needle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I guess better go on the internet.
It's got to be on the top. It should be on the top side.
I do
of
it
that.
all the time.
Doggone it.
I bet there would be. I bet
Well,
You can get on your phone now.
You live
Yeah.
and learn,
I
right?
Yeah.
bet you could find it on the
Last
internet.
year, I just have
2 years
My
ago,
problem
we
is
ran
when you
it.
get it to
Oh, you
the
did?
next
I
time,
never read it.
it'd
Oh,
be
you
so
did.
long you'd
Last
forget that
year
you
we
had
did
to
run
start
it.
all over.
Yeah.
Kept a better eye on it. Yeah. This year I kind of forgot all about it. I thought we'd make it till noon.
Yeah.
We had how many rolls did you have? We started out with a full one and about a quarter.
Well, that covers a lot. That ain't a big roll. Those aren't big rolls. It's just one wrap around it,
Yeah, you
though.
look at it. There's not much twine on each. Maybe
Yeah.
there isn't. Shoot, I bet you. Shoot, maybe there's what? No more than a foot, is there? Yeah, probably like that. Yeah.
I can't imagine.
There, yeah, okay, now, you take that off there.
grab it.
I think that we had the twine on the bottom side of the knot. I think we get that off now. Let's go there with it.
Cut it all together.
Yeah, cut it out right there. Now, yeah, okay, now I think it should be, what is it?
Poke some more in or one.
Yeah, now give it to him. What causes that thing to trip, Lyman? Just the pressure
I
of it?
think so. Pressure against it.
Okay.
Yeah, when that thing
Speed her up a little, Lee.
when the when the twine gets stretched to a certain point, then it'll trip.
Okay. And one piece of straw is kind of sticking in there. Maybe,
Oh, sorry.
Keep dumping in, John.
wait a minute, John. Stopped up on the top.
So there's a knotter on there?
Okay, it's right there's your knotter. See the string, twine comes up through there?
And that's what does the knot.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, that thing does the knot
So
right
it was
there.
cogged up on there to start with. That new twine sometimes does that.
So now,
That should work.
so does the pressure just push it out?
The
and
pressure
then-
trips it.
And then the guy up
Pushes
top
against
pulls the handle and it
pushes
does
against the twine,
the...
which trips, and the thing
It
comes over
actually
and
does
caught
that
it.
part by itself.
Yeah. Okay, look out.
It's been a long time, but I remember.
Oh, there's a hole there.
Yeah, Z dug a rock out of it.
Okay, I got a good question, I think. I know those horses didn't have a PTO sticking out their rear end.
They were
driven by
ground
the wheel.
driven.
Yeah, so it had a wheel up front
Yep.
that did all that?
No, the one on the side here turned.
Had a chain on
Yep.
it.
Oh, is that right?
Yep.
And
That's
then
what
that
run the
wheel,
whole
I think,
machine.
kind of had some spikes
Yeah,
on it.
yeah.
Didn't it?
Yep.
Getting it
The
around.
wheel wasn't rubber, it was spiked.
Yeah.
And so that's why.
And they ran the whole thing.
The PTO ones were the later models.
Yeah.
They were, yeah. Oh, when they came out with that PTO.
So this is relatively new
Oh,
then.
this is
Yeah,
hot.
yeah. This is upper thrust.